Hey y'all, we are talking about the Too Faced Christmas Cookie House Party limited edition makeup collection. That's all it said right there, so I was a bit confused. This is what the box looks like. It's beautiful pink, kind of traditional Too Faced. And this is what this cute little house looks like. It's just super, super stupid cute, honestly. So this comes off and it looks like that. It's magnetized. And then the top comes off, again, magnetized. So let's go through and look at these. You have your face shades, highlight, blush, bronzer. And you have this. Oh my gosh, this is what really drew me in, to be honest. You've got two beautiful browns down here, kind of to go with any look, and you've got 4 pressed glitters. These are straight glitters you will need to use a glitter glue with. Just putting that out there. And then you have this whole big palette. I love that you can close this. Well, not close it, but pull it all the way back. And then you have all of these beautiful, beautiful shades here. So I seen this in Sephora, and that's all it showed. I actually didn't know this comes with a shadow insurance. I did not use that today. I'm not a huge fan of eyeshadow primer. I use concealer. And then you get the Melted Matte lipstick in Gingerbread Man and a mini Better Than Sex mascara. So that's a lot for $58. If you are new to my channel, hi, I hope you stick around. But I have a normal skin type. Like I said, I use concealer for my primer and I do set that. Also, I use only all natural lighting. I want you guys to see my skin tone, my imperfections. And I want you guys to see the color in its natural form. True to color. If the shade is blue, you're going to see that it's blue. A lot of times with lights, they can kind of distort colors. The skin tone can look very different. And it can actually make you look a lot better. Like, it just does. It's so weird. But my main thing is I want you guys to see everything. But I'm going to hush. And can you guys tell how excited I am about this? Can you guys honestly tell how excited I am about this palette? So, yes, I'm gonna hush. We are gonna get into it. I hope you guys subscribe, click that bell, and let's go ahead and hop on in. So each of these have one of the little plastic inserts, but I think the packaging is super, super cute. And there's what it looks like, and you can stick that guy right on top. And that guy goes right on top of it. It's super cute. I love that. Okay, so we are gonna take the bigger palette because there's 2 eyeshadow palettes here. You've got 2 mattes in here and your glitter shades in there. I probably already explained all of this in the intro. But I'm gonna start out with On a Roll in the smaller palette, this guy right here. One main thing that sucks for me is there's no mirror in any of the palettes. I wish they would have just stuck a mirror in one of them. Even this little guy. Ugh. Okay, so we're gonna put that in our upper crease area and then blend. I'm really sorry if you can hear a goat screaming. My neighbor got a new male billy goat. And he's a screamer. Like, he is a screamer. Like, you can hear him in the house with the doors closed, windows down. It sounds like a person screaming. So, yeah, he's a screamer. So if it sounds like you hear a person or a child screaming, no. It's just a goat. So we're good. So now we're going into the big palette. And these names are super cute. We're gonna go in with What a Batch right here. What a Batch. Same brush, just a little bit darker of a shade. And then we're gonna put that almost in the same place, but a little bit lower. Here are some of the shimmers and metallics in the palette. I think they are stupid beautiful, but they look a little different. Let me get closer here. Like this one right here is actually the super white shade in the palette right here called Snowflake, but it translates very, very pink. So it's more of a pink shade than a white shade. And they're a little bit drier of a texture, except for this one right here, Cinemagic. It feels more like a traditional wet, beautiful metallic. The others are a bit drier, just be aware of that. Like I said, it's just kind of not handy that there is no mirror. But again, I didn't really care about mirrors being in palettes until I started doing YouTube. Before that, it's like I always did it in front of the bathroom mirror or my vanity mirror, whatever it may be. I never needed it. But now it's a bit of a hassle. So I'm gonna dip into cream filling right here and just put it above everything that we did, just to kind of blend it a little bit more. Oh shoot, I just rubbed my eyebrow and got stuff all over it. Apparently I swatched another shade and did not get it off my finger. So let's wipe this glitter off the forehead, shall we? I am switching my brush to a Morphe M513. We're gonna go in with Oh Snap, which is right here. Sorry, the camera likes to focus on my face, which is a good thing, except for when you're trying to show products, shades, it, you know, just wants to find your face. So I'm gonna start out by putting this on the outer edge and then blending it lightly into the crease. I'm also gonna take it onto the lid. Where I have so much space for my eyebrow, like to my eye, it's like, I try not to take it too far up, but then I have so much space there that I end up taking it too far up. I'm just grabbing the transition shade that we used. I'm still using Oh Snap, but I'm using it on a smaller brush. And I just want to get these edges right here. Very pretty. Everything's blending out really, really nicely. I like the neutral tone of everything. I'm gonna grab our little palette here and go in with the darker shade, which is Can't Catch Me. And I'm just going to put this on the outer corner. And these shades are really pigmented. Like, they're pigmented. I'm gonna use Cinemagic just because that is one that I really like, and we are gonna put some glitter over top. Like, look how beautifully that applies. It is just, oh, I love it. Like, I would totally keep it just like this. Like, I love that. But you guys know we're gonna try these glitter shades, or at least one of them. I think we're gonna go in with Snow Pink. I really wanted to go in with Frost Yourselves, but we're gonna try the pink. That's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna put down a little bit of glitter glue, being a bit of Snow Pink, and I don't want too much. I just want like a wash of glitter on the eye. Normally I don't like these pressed glitters, but I actually really liked those. Like, I only use one shade, I know that, but it looks stunning. I don't know if it's gonna show on camera. Like, it is beautiful. So now I'm gonna grab a little bit of Nooks and Cranberries, this guy right here, and I have a fatter type pencil brush because I have to use the shade, and I'm gonna put that right above where we put the glitter and shimmer shade. I'm also going to put it right in between the shimmer and the darkest shade out on the eye. And then I'm just gonna grab a brush, a clean brush. Highlight the inner corner. I'm gonna go in with I Love Yule, which is right here. And I'm gonna mix it with Snowflake. I'm actually gonna get quite a bit of Snowflake. And we're gonna stick this right on that inner corner and bring it up to meet those shades. Is this pretty or is this pretty? Like, I'm loving this eye look. Okay, I'm gonna go off camera and put the face on, do this eye, and then we are going to come back to play with the face shades. So I will see you guys in just a minute. Okay, I have foundation, concealer, powder, brows are done. I put lashes on. I put black liner about 3/4 of the way on my lower lash line. We will do, hold on, I have an itch. We will do the lower lash line, but first let's go ahead and get some of this on the face. So the bronzer is called Extra Toasty right here. I'm gonna take this on a big powder brush and just kind of lightly disperse it everywhere, and we will grab a smaller brush as well. But at first, I just kind of want an all over bronze. I think if you're light to tan, it will work. If you have a darker skin tone, I don't think this will work too great. I just don't. I mean, you can build it up. That's what I'm gonna do as well. I'm gonna take a small brush here, dip it in, and then I'm almost gonna use it as contour, but I'm not really contouring, putting it in the same area and then running it up. Yeah, if you have a darker skin tone, I don't think this will work too great. I think it'll be too light, but you can always use it as blush as well. All right, for highlight, this is Get Frosted. It looks, oh shoot. Just dug my nail right in there. Let me try to pat that back down. That, oh my gosh, that is so stinking pretty. And it's not just too over the top right off the bat. Like, you can do like I am and make it not so in your face. You guys, like, I am so totally shocked. Like, honestly, we're not going to talk about my hair right now, okay? All right, this is Daydreamer. That's the blush in the palette. I'm normally not a fan of super pinky blushes, but we're going to try it today. Hopefully it's not overly pigmented. Okay, I can make this work. I think it's a little light, which I do prefer because, like I said, I don't like super pinky blushes. I am genuinely shocked. Like, I love the way that looks. So, I'm gonna grab a teeny tiny pencil brush and go in with Nooks and Cranberries right there. We're gonna take that really tight on the lower lash line. I'm taking it almost all the way in to about right there. Then I think we're gonna get a little risky here just to try to use some more shades, and we're gonna take this purple. This is a matte purple, and we're gonna run it underneath. I like it. I do like that. What do you guys think? You like the purple? You don't like the purple? Does it make that much of a difference? I'm not sure. I'm gonna go back in with the Nooks and Cranberries. And we are going to take What a Batch. I almost said what a bitch. And we're gonna run it kind of right underneath and blend everything in together. I don't know, it's like with the purple, it's not too prominent. It's like there's something there, but what is it? I like it. I really, really like it. Okay, this did come with a lip. I will put this on just so we can see what it looks like, but it doesn't really match the look today. Oh my gosh. Holy cow, you guys, that smells wonderful. Yeah, this doesn't match at all. It's like super orange and we're more pinky. So we're not. You can see the color right there. Beautiful orange fall color. Oh, that smells absolutely amazing. But I'm going to take this off really quickly and then I'll show you what we are going to do for the lip. Okay, lovelies, I put on Dose of Colors, X Desi and Katie, my main, and then the Most lip gloss, and I'm loving it. It's just that liquid lipstick is like my perfect nude. And you know, I didn't even set my face and it looks this good. Like, what? I know. Anyway, I'm getting sidetracked. I am going to say that this is my favorite. Sorry, my thing was going off in there. But I'm going to say that this is my favorite holiday collection of all time. It is that good. I think that normally with holiday palettes, they're not as good of quality. And this is Too Faced quality for me. These eyeshadows are really, really good. And they've set you up with the mattes, with pretty well everything that you need. Your basic browns. And you can do any look with that. You can put any shimmer on. Plus you have a few cool tones. You've got your purples in there. Your beautiful warm tones. And the shimmers in the palette are so good. The metallics. And then this is like legit icing on the cake. They should have named one of those that. Because this is that good. You've got two super basic but necessities. Like these shades are so necessary. They should be in every palette. And then you've got these beautiful glitters. And I'm serious. I guarantee you that the camera is not even picking up on how stunning they are. Because they're legitimately beautiful. And you could totally put them on heavier and just be boom, beaming. Like, I love it. Same with the face palette. I was so shocked. I love this bronzer. It works so well for my skin tone. And I am tan. So I have I wouldn't say a deep skin tone, but I have a very tan skin tone. This highlight, absolutely stunning. Pretty well blew my socks off. I don't like a highlight that's immediately just over the top. A lot of days I like a beautiful blended in highlight and not one that you're just like, oh, wow, that's a lot of highlight. That's not my jam, but you can totally build this up to that. I love that. Even the blush worked really good, and I'm not the biggest fan of blush at all, but I like the color. I love everything. Like I'm so shocked. Normally with these holiday palettes, Christmas palettes, they're really hit or miss, and then a lot of them are just okay. Like, they're not the normal high-end quality of shadows. They're more China-made shadows. They're okay. Can you make them work? Yes, but it's like, they're okay. This, I think, is more than okay. I think this is great. Like, I love it. If you guys want me to do more looks with this, let me know, because I will gladly do that. And if, as I keep using this, I find shades I don't like in here, I will let you guys know. But I love this. I highly recommend this, you guys. Like, I'm shocked. Like, I love this. I don't even just like it, I love it. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, I hope you subscribe and click that bell. And I hope to see you in my next one. Bye, guys.